So already we are completed for scripting, right? Like scripting announcements like correlation, parametration. We are all everything. If we are done, then we need to do for the execution multiple user point of view. We can do for the like execution means controller. So what is the controller? What is the controller?
Multiple of users.
Yes, we can design the scenario, multiple users and execution. We can doing for the execution is that is called controller. So now I will open the controller. This is the controller. Okay, once open the controller, see this is the load runner controller. So this is one of the component. So controller nothing but we can design the scenario, execute with the multiple user point of view. We can use for the controller. Once controller it will open, on pop-up window will open. See, this is the new scenario, select a scenario. So we have the two scenarios will be there. One is the manual scenario, one is goal-oriented scenario. So what is the manual scenario means? What is the goal-oriented scenario means? Manual scenario means itself you need to design the scenario, like now how many number of users you are executing and how much duration you are executing. So this everything you need to give for the manual scenario. Goal oriented scenario means if you select this one, automatically it will design the scenario. But we never go with the goal oriented scenario because as per our design, as per number of user count, based on that we need to design, right? So that is why always we'll go with the manual scenario only. And you can observe here, use the percentage mode. Maybe you are giving for the 100 user, 10 users, 50 users, like this we are giving. So maybe you want for the percentage mode, like 100%, 50% means you need to select this one, but we are never go with the percentage mode and we are going with the only manual scenario we need to select. And after that, this all the available scripts, what are the scripts we are completed as of now, all scripts will be available here. So what are the scripts you are completed in VUSN? So all script will be displayed here. So after that, what you need to do, you need to, which script you are completed, correlation, parametration, proper transaction names, you need to take for that script. So for example, I'm taking for the, this is the one script and this is the one script I added. And after that, click on OK. Just what are the scripts will be there, just I added. And if you want to remove, maybe you, by mistake you selected this one, you can click on this, it's remove. And again, you want for admins, you can click on this. And after that, we need to add for the one more scenario and click on this and click on OK. So how many scenarios we need to execute? You need to select this all. Okay. And after that, click on OK. So just what are the scripts we need to execute? You need to select those scripts for first pop-up window. So after that, so it will be our controller enter window will be open. For we have the, we know already, right? Design, we have the three tabs will be there. Design tab, run tab, and diagnostics tab. So diagnostics tab, we don't discuss anything because that will be some, we no need for this point of view. And we have, no one will use, only we can use for the design tab. The design tab means number of users and how much duration you are executing, and so which are the scenarios you are executing. So these all things we can design the end design. In run space means you are start the scenario, means once the design is completed, you want to execute the test, means you can start scenario, and after that during the test you should monitor for the this how the users is executing, how many users are running, how many users are existed, and if you are getting any errors, and how many positive transaction happen. So these all things you need to observe. Then going to the design phase. First we'll come to the design phase. So you can observe, this is the script name, this is the one more script, and this is the script path where it is saved. And you can observe here quantity. Quantity nothing but number of users. For now, it's only showing for the one user. And you can observe load generator. So already I told what is the load generator. So everyone able to hear, right?
Was
properly?
against
Yes,
And
load
Generate the load
generator.
against the application.
Yes, load generator is one of the machine. So it will be generate the load against the application. So if you want to add load generator, means click on this and click on add load generator, and you need to give for the load generator name. So I'm giving for the, so load generator nothing but it's a machine only, right? It will be like well, IP address only, it will be there 127.0.0.1. And we need to select for the, we have the different platforms like Windows, Linux, right? So we are doing for the Windows only, right? So you need to select for the Windows, and after that click on OK. See, now you can come here and you are able to see the what we added, and you are able to see. Okay, and now we have the, you can observe schedule based scenario. And before that, see, I want to this script, I want to give for the number of users, means click on the start users, and you can give for the start users, you can give for the increase the count. Then increase the 20 users, and here I'm giving for the every 5 users will be ramp up in 0.5 seconds, and click on OK. Now you can observe here, when I given for the 20 users, it share for the both scripts 10. So why means we are selecting for the, here with some schedule based scenario is there, like schedule based scenario, schedule by group is there. So when you are selected for the schedule based scenario, what will happen, like see every script like all the scripts like a one scenario, and having sharing for the number of users and duration and ramp up, ramp down, it will take. So ramp up, what is the ramp up? See, users will be gradually increasing the load. Like we are see here condition I given, every 5 users will be ramp up 5 seconds. Then total 20 users. Total 20 users, how much time it is execute for ramp up?
24.
24. How?
24.
So total users will be
24.
20. Okay. Every 5 second
Okay.
will be, every 5 second 5 users will be ramping.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Yes,
25.
because see 5 into 4, right? 4 5 is 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Means 20 seconds all users will be ramp up will happen. So what is the ramp up? What is the ramp down? Means I will explain in the paint. Okay. See. So we have the, for example, if now we are given for the 20 ramp, 20 users will be 20 users. In the 20 users, we are giving for the ramp up how much? And see ramp up.
Ramp up 5 seconds.
Yeah, ramp up 5 seconds. Let me wait. So open notepad. See total 20 users. Total. Okay.
Every 5 users ramp up in 5 seconds.
Yes. System. So every
5 users.
every 5 users every 5 users. Second ramp up. So ramp up 5 seconds is the ramp up. Okay, system ramp up. Okay, so we need to calculate for the ramp up time. Now ramp up time. See, total every 5 users will be ramp up with the 5 seconds. So total 20 users means how many seconds it will be ramp up time?
20 seconds.
20, because 20 by 5 means 4 years, right? 4 means 4 into 5 means 20 seconds. Means all users will be ramp up will be 20 seconds. And as same to the ramp down also, we are giving for the ramp down also we are giving, and the duration also we are giving. So duration is I am giving for the 2 minutes. You can assume. Duration is the 2 minutes. And now we need to give for the ramp down also. See, ramp down also I'm giving for the ramp down is also we are giving for the ramp down also. What is the ramp up? What is the ramp down means? User will be load will be gradually increasing the load. Like at a time we are giving for the 20 users, but at a time we are not pushing. Means every 5 seconds will be 5 users will be I am pushing. And so same to duration I given for the 2 minutes. And ramp down means users will be gradually down. So for example, we can design here, then you can know for this. So this is the ramp up done, and the duration I'm giving for the 2 minutes. Test of duration given for the 2 minutes. And stop users is there, right? Stop user nothing but ramp down. Ramp down also I'm giving for the every 5 users will be ramped down with the 0.5 seconds, and click on OK. See, now we can observe here. See, this is called ramp up. So means every 5 seconds I'm giving for the 5 users. You can observe first to 0 seconds means starting itself 5 users will pick, and after that you can observe here. So you can observe here 10 users, and you can observe here 15 users. See, now total 20 users will be there here. Then after that ramp up means initialization, like they are doing for the launch and login. And after that this duration is there, right? Duration nothing but how much duration we are giving, 2 minutes. This is the duration of the test. So this duration time, what will happen? Every user will be login and doing for the flight booking, again login, again flight booking. They're doing for the how much duration you are given, it will be do for this all every user. And after 2 minutes is completed, then what will happen? Every user will be ramped down. Means every user will be down. Means they will be exit from the application. Like they will log out and exit from the application. So that is condition we can call it as a ramp down. Got it, everyone? What is the ramp up? What is the ramp down?
Okay.
So now see again one more thing. See, I selected for the schedule by scenario. You can observe I selected 2 scenarios, but we are only one graph only it is generated, because see if you give for the 20 scenarios also, it will be one graph only it will generate it. Because when you are selecting for the schedule by scenario, what will happen, like every script, like all the scripts will be behave like a one scenario, and sharing for the ramp up, duration, number of users, this all will be shared. Maybe we can change something. Schedule by group will give schedule by group. See now each script will be, when you are given schedule by group, each script will be, you need to design the scenario. Like each script you need to design ramp up, ramp down, duration. See now you can observe which script I selected. First script I selected. See I'm adding for the number of users. Okay, 10 users, and I'm giving the condition also. Okay, every 2 users I'm giving for the every 2 users ramp up will be 0.5 seconds I given. So means total 10 users, how much time it will take ramp up?
25 seconds.
Yes, 25 seconds, right? So means, okay, you can observe here. See, I done this one. See, it is generated this one, and after the duration, if you can select for the duration like 0 to or whatever, maybe you can select how much duration you want to give. You can give for that much of duration. So I'm giving for the just 0 to seconds. So 0 to minutes I given duration. You can observe this is the blue color will be right now we are designing, and ramp down also I'm giving every 2 users. Okay, every 2 users will be 0.5 seconds will be ramped down. So total will be ramped down, how much it will take? Same, right? Total will be 10
Right.
users. Again 10 means 5 means 25 seconds will be all users will be arrived. So you can click on this. See, it is a design, this one. So if you want to design the second script, means you can come to the second script, select this, and again you need to give for the start scenarios, number of users you can give, and I'm giving for the 10, and again I'm giving for the, here will be 2 users, and every 5 seconds I'm giving. We can change for the little bit. Okay, 10 seconds I'm giving, and here will be user count also we can increase, because some difference we need to see the graph. And total 5 users I'm giving 5, total 5, and here also 0.5 seconds only.
Maximum ఎంతమంది 50 years.
Yeah, actually for in our, this is the our free tool, right? We can do for the maximum 50 only. So in real time we want for the more users, means we need to buy the license. Okay, and click on this, and after that duration, so duration will be 5 minutes. Okay, that is fine. Okay, think about that. And again I'm giving for the ramp up, ramp down is also 5 users will be 0.5 seconds. Okay, and click on okay. See now you can observe. See, this is the second script I designed. Duration will be given more, that is why it is showing for the more. So means when you are given schedule by group, every script will have a different scenario and having their own ramp up, ramp down, duration. Observe everyone, what is the difference between schedule by scenario and schedule by group?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right? So now this execution, I am also, this execution I will give for the 0.5 minutes 20 only, right? Okay, this is the fine. Okay, and I will change for the duration, this is also 2 minutes only. 2 minutes. So now design is completed. Means you need to design the scenario like this. Total will be given 10 plus 20, 30 users, and each script will be different I given. Now you need to execute, means come to the design part is completed. And after this, you can clear, right, everyone, what is the schedule by scenario, what is the schedule by group. And so we have the here also we have the two options will be there. What is the basic schedule, what is the real world schedule. Means basic schedule means single ramp up. You could give for the single ramp up, you can give for the basic scheduler. You want to give for the multiple ramp up, means you can give for the real world schedule. Multiple ramp up, multiple ramp down, multiple durations you can give, means you can use for the real world model. But we want only single ramp up, single ramp down, single duration you can give, means you can select for the basic schedule. So design is completed. You can come to the design part, and after execution part, so you can observe run. We have the what are the total users we are added. It will displaying here. See, total 30 users. This script will be 10. This script will be 20. And this is the start scenario. You need to start scenario, means you can, it will be execution will be start, and you can observe. So once you can start, how many users started and what is the hits and how many pass fail. It will see. See, now I'm starting the test. See, all users at a time not is coming, because we are giving some condition. Every 5 seconds will be 5 users will be coming. You can observe also. See now. Now 20, every 10 plus 20 users will be doing for the 2 minutes. So means 2 minutes they will doing for the their transactions, like they're doing for the flight booking, and after that flight booking is completed, then they will do for the different transactions, payment, again they will do for the up to this 2 minutes duration time. Now we can observe here total running users, it is showing the 30. This is the elapsed time nothing but when you are the start scenario, it calculate for the first second onwards. So test duration, entire test duration time, how much is happen, it will be calculated. It per second means how many it's happening for the per seconds, per 60 seconds, last 60 seconds. It means, for example, you are entering for the username, password, and clicking for the login button. Means some hit will go into the server. So like this, some different hits will happen per 60 seconds. How many it is happening, it will calculate. So this is the pass transaction. So pass transaction means how many pass or how many fail we want to see, or means you see 0 pass errors and there is no failed transactions. See, you can observe graphical oriented also we need to observe. This is the running user graph. See how the running users will be going. Means running users means what are the you are given ramp up, ramp down, right? So it will be show that. So user will be ramp up is completed. You can observe now duration is going, not ramp down is happen. You can observe this is the duration only. So if you come to the run to out, then your ramp down will be start here. And this is the one graph running users means how the users behavior going, and this is the transaction graph. Transactions graph nothing but what is the transactions you are given, login, flight booking, and what are the transactions you are given, it will display those transactions here. See, payment, flight booking, and login, and all transactions it is display, and as simply you are able to see the average response time. So means during the test you should monitor like this only, nothing do anything, and you can see the it's how it is happening. See, this is the graph, and we have the throughput also is generated. What is throughput? Throughput nothing but it's bytes received from the server. How it is receiving from the server, it will calculate. See, our test is completed. You can observe. Okay, your test is completed. Why? See, you can observe total 2 minutes 56 seconds happen. Why means, see, you can observe your duration test means it is including for the ramp up, ramp down, and duration. So you can calculate. So 20, 20, 40, 40 plus 200, 2 minutes 40 seconds. But results correlate point of it will take for the one more 15 to 20 seconds. It will happen. See, 2 minutes 50 seconds is completed. See, now you want to analyze the results, means you can go to the results and click on the analyze results. Then it is invoked to the one more our component is the analysis. See, load runner analysis. This test results, how it is pass or fail, or we are meeting at our SLA or not, and we need to check these things, means we need to open for the analysis file. See, this is the analysis file. Now you can observe, see, analysis file open, and it is loading for the results. See, you can observe all results will be loading. See, once load completed, you need to observe the results. Like, see, this is the duration when you have started execution. Total duration, how much duration it is executed? 2 minutes 56 seconds executed. And total maximum running users. What is the summary report having? Maximum running users means how many users you are executed test. What are the two throughput is generated? Total throughput. Average throughput what? Total hits how many happen? Average hits how many happen? Majorly we need to concentrate for the this. Like each and every transaction, what is the response time we got? You can observe here, login, it took for the 5 minutes 84, and payment is a 1 second 714, and sign up will be 0.16, and flight booking will be, it is happened for the 7.644. But we are meeting SLA. We are meeting SLA or not?
Yes.
No, right? Actually, our SLA will be 2 seconds, but we are not miss SLA. Means what is the issue you need to identify? Because we don't send this report to the client, because client is expecting only 2 seconds, but we are getting for the more response time. What is that issue you want to find? Means maybe because of the task, what is that? CPU memory utilization issue, maybe any DB issue. So we need to dig the issue where could be problem, like it is a where exactly problem we need to identify. See, you can go to the performance, you can see this, and during the test also we should monitor. Okay, I think during the test will be CPU memory will be more, that is why one of the problem we can consider. Okay, so maybe you can come to there, and you can disk wise and Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi nothing but it's a network point of view. So if it is a network point of view, any issues, so we need to identify those issues. Okay, so like this we can do for the, okay, for testing. Okay, you need to do for yourself. Okay, we need to, I will explain for the how to do for the analysis, like where could be problem, it could be CPU or network or DB side or anything. I will explain for the one class that. Okay, so now you can observe for the graphs also. This is the running user graphs, how users will be running happen, like so ramp up, this is the duration, this is the ramp down, and it per seconds, how the it's still happening. See, this is the like teeth pattern. It is teeth pattern or unteeth pattern? Everyone is there, not there?
So
So it's look like teeth pattern or it's unteeth pattern.
teeth pattern.
But somewhere it missed, right? Here it is
Yeah.
down. So you can observe up to there it's a good. Okay, it's a teeth pattern, and somewhere it is a went for hike. Somewhere again it is a head for hike. So teeth pattern, what is the teeth pattern come to like this? Same it is coming to the, for example, 15,000 is there, right? Maybe everyone will be come down and everyone coming down. Same line it is coming, but we can consider as a teeth pattern. Then what will happen? Maybe that is good for teeth pattern throughput and 8 per second. Then you are good for the results. Then there is no issue in application side, and same to the web server issue we can consider. But like this it will be there, we can consider as a maybe application issue, maybe web server issue we can consider. Now this is the transaction summary graph. See, each transaction how many times happen? Flight booking 10 times happen, and login 10 times happen, and payment is happened 10 times, and this sign up happened 10 times, And so each and transaction how might happen, and if it is a measurement, like it is a pass or fail, it is showing here. And this is the average transaction graphs. Means each transaction base, if you want, means you can click on this, it is highlighted for that graph.
Mhm.
Okay, I want for this graph details. So if you click this, it is highlighted this. See, this is the sign of one. So means we need to check for the graph curve oriented also, we can check. So like this, you need to analyze the results once execution is completed. So everyone is clear for the design part.
Okay.
So you need to first will be script complete, and after that you can push the script. What are the scripts you have, right? So you need to keep the test data also. Okay. Give the proper transaction names, give the proper data, like you are giving for the 10, for example, 2 scripts you are executing 25. You can give first the 25 data in the parameter list for the username password. So I'm giving for the everyone assignment. Okay, everyone record the like WebTour script and PestStore script and do for the script enhancements, complete all script enhancements with 25 user data and execute for the different like schedule by group you can select, and like design the ramp up, ramp down duration will be different. You can execute with the 30 minutes of the duration. Okay, ramp up you can give for the yourself, you can give for the, you can design. See, ramp up, ramp down, how you can give means based on for the number of users, it will not happen more than 2 minutes. Means more than less than 2 minutes only, it will be, you need to ramp up, you need to give for the design like this. Ramp down also less than 2 minutes, you need to ramp down, it will happen. Got it, everyone? So this is the class. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet and again we'll explain for the again each and every option is controller, and controller is completed, we can move to the analyzer. Okay.
సరే టోటల్ అన్నిటికీ ఫార్మేషన్ కోరిలేషన్ అన్ని చేసినాకనే చేయాలి సరే.
Yes, అన్ని చేసిన తర్వాతనే రావాలి, అదర్వైజ్ యువర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విల్ ఫెయిల్.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఎన్ ఎర్రర్స్ వచ్చినా కానీ ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది.
యా, ఎర్రర్స్ అక్కడ నీ స్క్రిప్ట్ లో ఎర్రర్ లేకుండా ఉండాలి. యువర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విల్ వర్క్ విత్ ద 5 ఇటరేషన్స్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది అనుకో అక్కడ వితౌట్ ఎర్రర్స్, దెన్ ఇస్ యూ కెన్ పుష్ హియర్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్, విల్ మీట్ టుమారో, బై.